Hey my lovely foodies, welcome to Kanak's kitchen again. Today I'm gonna show you very healthy and wholesome rice preparation with some methi leaves and tomatoes, basically that is methi pulao. This pulao is full of aromatic flavors and spices in it, and you can serve this for any meal of the day. And guys, if you want to see my recipes in Hindi, then you can check the link in the description box below and subscribe to my new channel Kanak's Kitchen in Hindi. So over to my kitchen. Heat oil in a wok or pan, and to this add the cumin seeds first. And when it starts to splutter, add all the remaining whole spices into it. So in goes some bay leaves, next the cloves or the laung, cinnamon stick or the dalchini, and green cardamom, that is hari illaichi. Stir fry it for a few seconds until it becomes brown and gives out good aroma. Now to this I am going to add in the slit green chillies and fry for a few seconds. Next goes in the ginger garlic crushed, and again saute it until the rawness of the ginger garlic goes away. Next to this add in the chopped tomatoes and saute until very little tender and mushy. If you want, you can also use some onions at this point of time, but I prefer making this methi pulao only with tomatoes. After cooking the tomatoes just for a while, now to this I am going to add in the freshly washed and chopped fenugreek leaves, that is methi, and saute it just for a minute. Also add in the peas. Here I am using the frozen peas, so no need of sauteing it and cooking it for long. It will automatically cook along with the rice. Mix it well with the methi and then stir in some salt, some turmeric powder, red chilli powder and the coriander powder, and mix it well and let it cook for about 1 to 2 minutes so that all the flavors of the dry spices and the whole spices get along with the methi and tomatoes. Now it's cooked enough, no need of overcooking it. To this I am going to add in the washed and soaked rice. Here I have got this soaked rice which I have soaked for 30 minutes. Put the rice into this mixture and give everything a good mix. Next to this I am going to add in the water. So here I have used 1 cup of Basmati rice, for which I am using 2 cups of water. So I am putting 2 cups of water into this. Give it a light mix and let it come to a good boil. After boiling it, when you see that the rice has taken most of the water and a very little water is bubbling away on top, at this point of time, cover it with the lid and lower the flame for about 8 to 10 minutes or until the rice is cooked through with all the flavors in it. Few people also use pressure cooker for making this. So if you want, you can do this in the pressure cooker also by giving it 1 whistle and then lower the flame for just 2 minutes. But I personally like to cook this way as it helps in keeping all the rice grains separate and distinct. Now remove the lid and check. You can see this rice is nicely cooked. I am going to lightly puff it with the help of a fork so that the rice does not break, and slowly fold it with the help of a fork. Do not over mix it. I'll show you. You can see how nicely it's cooked with all the flavors, and the rice is nicely cooked and distinct. You can see each rice grain. So it's ready for plating. For plating, I'm going to take a bowl and fill it with the rice in it. Pat it a bit with the help of a spatula and fill it up to the top. You can see this way. And then I'm going to upside down onto a plate in which you want to serve. You can see how beautifully it has come out. And then you can serve it hot or warm with some salad on the side. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe today. If yes, do give it a thumbs up, share the video and subscribe to my channel.